Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the problems of mixed strategy. Look at the second example of the mixed strategies. Determine the optimum strategies and value of the game for the game whose payoff matrix is shown below. Look at the payoff matrix, player A and player B, and this is the payoff matrix, outcome of payoff matrix. First step of any game theory is, first of all, find out the saddle point, check whether that game has saddle point or not. For that purpose, find out the max min value and min max value. If max min value is equal to min max value, then that game has a saddle point. Suppose if max min value is not equal to min max value, then that game has no saddle point. If you check this game has no saddle point. Therefore, directly now we will go for the mixed strategies. Now for the mixed strategy, first step is find out the oddments of row. Take the difference of first row, highest number minus lowest number, and write down that opposite to that row. Here highest number is 5, lowest number is 2, and the difference is 3. Write down that 3 opposite to that row. Now look at the second row, 3 and 4, highest number is 4, minus 3 is equal to 1. Write down that 1 against that row here. Now calculate the column oddments. The first column 5 minus 3, highest number minus lowest number, is equal to 2. Write down that 2 against that column 2. The second column is 2 and 4, highest number is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Write down that 2 against that column 2. After the calculation of row oddments and column oddments, next step is calculate the probability. The next step is calculate the probability P1, P2 and Q1 and Q2. Now P1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. P2 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 3, 3 by 4. Q1 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Q2 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now in this step we have calculated the P1, P2, Q1 and Q2. After this we will calculate the value of the game. Value of the game is equal to, look at this first column 5 and 3 and row oddments 1 and 3. 5 into 1 plus 3 into 3 divided by 1 plus 3. 5 into 1 plus 3 into 3 divided by 1 plus 3 is equal to 14 by 4 is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, the value of the game is equal to 7 by 2. Now the optimum strategy SA and SB. Now the optimum strategy of player A and player B is equal to P1, P2 and Q1, Q2. Here value of P1 is equal to 1 by 4 and value of P2 is equal to 3 by 4. Value of Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 and value of Q2 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, finally, the value of game is equal to 7 by 2 and this is our optimum strategies for player A and optimum strategies for player B. Now look at the third example of the mixed strategies, player A and player B. Now for this mixed strategies also, first of all check whether this game has saddle point or not. Now for that purpose calculate the max min value and min max value. Suppose max min value is equal to min max value, then we can say that the game has saddle point. Otherwise, if max min value is not equal to min max value, then game has no saddle point. Now if you check this game, then this game has no saddle point. Therefore we will go for the mixed strategies. First step of the mixed strategy is calculate the oddments for row and oddments for column. The first step of the mixed strategy is called calculate the oddments of row. Now here they take the difference of first row. Now here highest number minus lowest number means 2 minus minus 1, then answer is 3 and write down that 3 against that row here. Now take the difference of second row. Now here highest number minus lowest number, highest number is 0, 0 minus minus 1 is equal to 1. Write down that against that second row. Now calculate the column oddments. Look at the first column, numbers are 2 and minus 1. First of all take the highest number 2 minus minus 1. Write down that 3 against that column. Look at the second column, minus 1 and 0. Highest number is 0 minus minus 1. The outcome is 1. Write down that against that column. So we have calculated the row oddments and column oddments. After calculation of this row oddments and column oddments, next step is calculate the probability P1, P2, Q1 and Q2. Here P1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. P2 is equal to 3 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 4. Now calculate the probability Q1 and Q2. Q1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. Q2 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, P1 is equal to 1 by 4, P2 is equal to 3 by 4, Q1 is equal to 1 by 4 and Q2 is equal to 3 by 4. After this, calculate the V, that is value of game. Now value of game is equal to, look at the first column, 2 and minus 1 and row odd means 1 and 3. 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 divided by 1 plus 3. Therefore, V is equal to 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 by 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 4. And finally, optimum strategy for player A and player B is equal to P1 P2 Q1 Q2. Therefore P1 and P2 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 and Q1 Q2 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Therefore our game value is equal to minus 1 by 4. Optimum strategies for player A is equal to 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Optimum strategies for player B is equal to 1 by 4 and 3 by 4.